The story of Mokshada Ekadashi. Long ago, there was a prosperous kingdom called Champakanagar, ruled by a wise and noble king named Vaikhanasa. Despite his wealth and power, King Vaikhanasa was deeply spiritual and dedicated to the welfare of his subjects. One day, he had a troubling dream in which he saw his deceased father suffering in the dark realms of Naraka, hell. His father appeared distressed, pleading for liberation from his torments. Deeply moved and disturbed, the king woke up and consulted his royal priest and spiritual advisors. They told him that his dream was a divine message and that his father was indeed suffering due to sins committed in his past life. They advised the king to seek guidance from the great sage Parvat Muni, a revered saint known for his wisdom and connection with the divine. King Vaikhanasa journeyed to the hermitage of sage Parvat Muni and narrated his dream. The sage meditated and revealed that the king's father was trapped in Naraka because he had committed certain sins. However, the sage reassured the king that there was a way to liberate his father's soul. Sage Parvat Muni said, "The Ekadashi of the waxing phase of the moon in the month of Margshirsha is known as Mokshada Ekadashi. Observing this day with devotion and fasting will not only purify your own soul but can also grant liberation to your father's tormented soul. On this day, worship Lord Vishnu with utmost sincerity and offer prayers for your father's release." Grateful for the sage's guidance, King Vaikhanasa returned to his kingdom. On the day of Mokshada Ekadashi, he observed a strict fast and performed all the rituals as instructed. He worshipped Lord Vishnu with devotion, offering prayers, tulsi leaves, and flowers. Pleased with the king's devotion, Lord Vishnu appeared before him. The benevolent deity blessed the king and said, "Your prayers have been heard. Your father's soul is now liberated and has attained moksha, salvation." The king was overjoyed and thanked Lord Vishnu for his mercy. He continued to observe Mokshada Ekadashi every year and encouraged his subjects to do the same. From that day forward, the observance of Mokshada Ekadashi became a cherished tradition, believed to free souls from the cycle of birth and death and grant spiritual liberation.